Okay, well, welcome. We're going to do a little bit of crafting right now. I told you I was the crafty cook, so I'm going to do a little bit of crafting. Something cute for my kitchen, actually for my mixer. Y'all can hear I've got my silhouette cutter going over here, trying to get this stuff cut out before we really get going. But I wanted to greet you and say you welcome to my kitchen/craft room today. I do have a craft room, but right now it's a total disaster, and I definitely need to clean it out. Maybe I'll take y'all with me one day and we'll just clean it out and throw stuff out and reorganize. Okay, what I'm cutting out are little blueberries. Because my mixer is blue, I want to put little blueberries on it, okay? I've got one at the other house, I know I've told y'all that before, and it's white. When I got it, you couldn't get colors. You could get white or almond, which is like an off-white. My mother's was an almond color, and mine was white. And I wanted to decorate it. I always wanted a red mixer. For some reason in that kitchen, I always thought I wanted a red one. So since I couldn't get a red one, I took my vinyl and my silhouette cutter, and I cut out some cherries, some red cherries. I love cherries. I just think they're just a happy fruit. They're just so happy all the time. They just make me happy to look at them. So I cut me out some red cherries and I put on that mixer. So since this one is blue, I thought, I'll decorate it with some blueberries. So I'm going to get this stuff cut out. I've already got my leaves cut out over here. There's my leaves. And I'll be back with you once I get the rest of it cut out, and then I'll show you how we're going to put it on the mixer, okay? I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, now we're back to put our little blueberries together. I've got most of them already put together. See, they're double layered. I don't know if you can see the two different colors. They're black and then a blue, or not a blue. It's a navy blue and more of a blueberry blue, okay? I got one more. I was going to show you how we do it, and then we'll go over to the mixer and we'll start putting them on there, okay? I take my silver, or my clear, it's not silver, my clear transfer tape, and it's just standard grip transfer tape. And you pull your piece of clear, Andy, turn the light back on, off of that, and you lay it down on the top layer. The top layer is the one you want to get first, okay? And then you peel the backing off of that, just like that. See, now I've just got the top layer of blueberries. Now then, I'm going to try, without really messing it up here, to get this down on here. You just want to line it up with your other cuts and so forth. And all right, see, there we go. That's all there is to that. We've got our leaves already cut. We got all of our little blueberries ready to go. I'm going to take you all over here to where my mixer is, and we're going to stick these on there and decorate it. Okay, I'll see you. Okay, we're over here at the mixer, and y'all can see the top of my mixer here. And here's my blueberries. These are some of the larger ones. I've got 3-inch ones and 2-inch ones that I cut. We're just going to peel these off. If we can get a hold of it here. Just peel this off just like this, where we just have the top piece and our berries. We're just going to lay these on here just like this. Just like that. And hope that these may still be a little bit too big. Let me go with some smaller ones. We'll try, maybe we'll just use all the little bitty ones, all the little baby blueberries. Okay. The way this is curved, it's hard to get these to lay flat sometimes. So, here we go. There's our little baby blueberries. We'll just lay them right along in here. Yeah, those did much better. The others are just too big, so we'll just do little bitty ones. We got plenty of them, and it'll be cute. Now I'm going to take this same piece of transfer tape, and I'm going to come over here and pick me up some leaves. Just like that. And I'm going to lay these right on there. Press that down. See how simple and easy this is? And it's so much fun. Just adds a little bit of happiness to your mixer. Okay, I'm going to finish decorating it, and then I'll let y'all see when I get it done, okay? Okay, here we are. Got our mixer all finished. And I'm going to show you how it looks. I just think it's cute. It just kind of adds a little bit to it. Here's the side. Up here's the top. Y'all want to see it all the way across the top. Just like that. See, there's the top. Down the side right there. And this side here has one set of the bigger 3-inch blueberries. And this side over here's got a set of, can y'all see it? 3-inch blueberries down here. And the smaller 2-inch blueberries here. But I think it just kind of dressed it up a little bit. Made her a little happy. She's happy now, you all. She's so happy she's got her clothes on, doesn't she? Okay, well that ends this little video. It took me several hours to get all this cut and weeded out. But it's something I've been wanting to do since I got this mixer. Like I told you, my other one's white and has cherries on it. And it's really cute too. So, if y'all have got a Cricut or a silhouette cutter and some permanent vinyl, just pick you out some designs, cut them, and stick them on your mixer and make it happy, okay? That's all for this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.